I'm on the precipice of a world of loneliness. My cold eyes stare into space. This life is meaningless, a tangled broken mess. Don't even look at my face, no. There's nothing that you can tell me that I won't twist and destroy, no. No way that you can help me out of this spiraling void. Descending into a well, deeper and deeper I fall into hell. I'm losing the sky, I'm losing my voice. Can't see the light down here, there's only black noise. My senses disappear, I cannot see or hear. There's no escape to the light, no. Locked in a cage of fear, there are no ladders here, and all reality dies.